Hello, everybody. Have you ever imagined having a natural pharmacy right in your backyard? With the Medicinal Garden Kit, that dream becomes reality. This exclusive kit provides everything you need to grow your own medicinal plants at home. You will have seeds from 10 powerful healing herbs. Chamomile, good for irritated eyes, rheumatic pains, hemorrhoids, calendula, for skin problems, itchies, burns, and is a great anti-inflammatory. Chicory, for pain relief, better digestion, sinus treatment, antifungal, and liver protection. Marshmallow, power for reflux treatment. California, poppy, great analgesic. Evening, primrose, for coughs and sore throat. Yarrow, insect bites, menstrual cramps, digestion upsets, burns. Lavender, anxiety treatment, fungal infection, acne and psoriasis. Echinacea, boost immune system, is anti-germs and good for inflammation. Feverfew, inflamed joints, fever, eczema, and rosacea treatment. Each herb has been carefully selected for its unique therapeutic benefits. To learn more and secure your kit, click the link in the description of this video. In today's fast-paced world, many people struggle with issues like stress, insomnia, and chronic pain, often resorting to synthetic medications that come with unwanted side effects. The Medicinal Garden Kit addresses these concerns by providing you with the means to cultivate natural remedies right at home. With this kit, you can grow herbs that help soothe anxiety, promote relaxation, aid digestion, boost immunity, and even reduce inflammation. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly refilling your medicine cabinet and embrace a more organic, hands-on approach to wellness. Beyond simply solving health issues, this kit fulfills the desire for a more sustainable and self-sufficient lifestyle. Imagine stepping into your garden and harvesting your own chamomile for a soothing tea or lavender to ease stress, all while knowing that you're nurturing nature and your own well-being. Every herb in this kit isn't just a plant, it's a promise of a healthier, more balanced life. The comprehensive growing guide included ensures that even gardening novices can successfully cultivate these powerful medicinal herbs and transform their daily routines into natural wellness rituals. Check out what Linda has to say about her experience.
My name is Linda, I'm 55, and I used to suffer from rheumatic pains, chronic sinus infections, and a weak immune system. I've always treated with traditional medicine, with fewer results. The relief was just for a moment. After trying the Medicinal Garden Kit, everything changed. I planted its 10 healing herbs: chamomile, calendula, chicory, marshmallow, California poppy, evening primrose, yarrow, lavender, echinacea, and feverfew, and soon felt relief. Chamomile eased my pain, chicory helped with sinus issues, and echinacea boosted my immunity. This kit not only brought natural healing into my life, but also restored my independence and hope. Every day, my garden reminds me that I can nurture my health naturally. I am really happy because my health is better and my garden is beautiful. The feeling that the nature is helping me is awesome. I encourage everyone to try. For me, it was the best thing I could have done.
Don't miss out on the chance to revolutionize your approach to health and self-care. Click the link in the description of this video and get your Medicinal Garden Kit today. Start growing your own natural remedies and embrace a lifestyle where every herb you cultivate contributes to a more vibrant, resilient, and healthy you. The journey to a self-sustaining natural pharmacy begins with a single click. Make that choice now and step into a world of organic healing.